Hey everybody, Steven here from That One Painter, and we are at Evelyn's house. She was a person we selected for our Paint It Forward campaign. She teaches special ed classes as a teacher, and in February she actually got COVID and was hospitalized for 7 weeks, even went into a coma for a little while and was on a ventilator and everything. So kind of came out of that. They're having a really hard time. A friend of hers who I know through a networking meeting nominated her, and when we heard the story we said, just with everything going on, this is perfect. Let's just paint her home. Sherwin-Williams came, donated their top of the line paint. Our best painter, Juan, he's been with me the longest.
Hi.
He was excited to jump on and help. Doing a Paint It Forward house today, and we were with Evelyn.
I'm very happy that you chose me. I'm excited, and it's a true blessing to have. I love the way my house has come out.
You picked amazing colors.
Thank you.
I love it.
And the quality and service that y'all are giving me is the best. He's repaired all the little things that need to be done. He's just got on it.
Juan is awesome.
I'm so appreciative is what I want to say.
Cool.
Thank you so much for doing it.
Well, thank you. Yeah, thank you for, just letting us film and help you out.
I won the lotto.
Yeah, great. We want to give back. The city's given us a lot. We've been blessed, just our business and our painters. We love helping our city, and we want to give back to the city that's been giving so much to us. So if you know somebody, go ahead and nominate them on our website for Q3, and we will review those nominations and select somebody soon. So thank you.